Let us know the step-by-step method for erecting Stat Tower. Before going to erect the Stat Tower, first study the sketch and list all the requirements. First collect the necessary L&T system formwork components, tools, materials and consumables near the workplace. Place footplates assembled with tower spindle on each tower location, marking at the marked area and align it with center line. Then select 1.2 meter basic frame and insert on the tower spindle. Similarly, insert another 1.2 basic frame at the opposite side where the welded bracing is opposite to the previous frame. Then connect the two basic frames using horizontal bracing H225 at the bottom. Connect the basic frames diagonally using D12.225 bracing as one end at bottom of first frame and other end at top of second frame. Then connect both basic frames at top using H225 horizontal bracing. After fixing the bracings at one side, fix connection angle 225 with basic frame opposite to the entrance. Connect both basic frames using required horizontal and diagonal bracing at the opposite side. While fixing the diagonal bracing, make sure that the direction of bracing at both sides should not be the same. Fix one plain bracing D12.225 at top of both frames diagonally and correct the diagonal of two sides. Then adjust Stat Tower spindle level for verticality using water level on all the four legs. After aligning the tower spindle, remove the D12.225 plain bracing and place two walkways connecting both basic frames at top. Insert two HT couplers at top of basic frames and lock it using spring lock connecting pin. Then fix the basic frame 1.2 over the coupler and connect using spring lock connecting pin. Similarly, fix basic frame 1.2 at the other side above the couplers like as welded bracings are in opposite direction like first layer. Fix connection angle 225 at both sides of the basic frames. Fix horizontal bracing H225 and D12.225 diagonal bracing on both sides of the frame using spring lock connecting pins. While fixing the bracing, ensure that the direction of diagonal bracing is differ from the bracing at the other side. Then fix two numbers of D12.225 bracings by connecting first and second level connection angles to use as a barricades. Check the diagonals using plain bracing D12.225 at top and correct if necessary. Fix 1H152 between two connection angle 225 in second tier at the right side of the basic frame. Remove walkway 225 from the first level and place it over the basic frame at second tier. Then fix stair bracket left by connecting both basic frames and tighten it with swivel coupler using double end spanner. Similarly, fix stair bracket right by leaving 600 mm distance from the stair bracket left. After fixing the stair brackets, place 8 numbers of grid iron between stair brackets and tighten with M10 nut and bolt with double washer. While fixing grid iron, don't use binding wire for tying instead of M10 nuts and bolts. Place walkway 2 to 5 with platform hangers at top of second layer. Then tie the safety belt with the top of the basic frame at second tier. Fix HT couplers on the basic frames and erect 1.2 meter basic frame like as welded bracings or in opposite direction like second level. Fix the connection angle 225, H225 and D1225 bracings in the third similar to second tier. Then fix two diagonal bracing D12.225 by connecting second and third tier frames. Remove one walkway from the second tier and erect stair bracket left and right with grid iron at second tier similar to first tier. After fixing the grid irons, remove the remaining walkway 2 to 5 in second tier. Fix inner handrail and intermediate rails using nut and bolts and connect using swivel coupler at first level. Remove first level entrance frame bracing D12.225 and H225 and tie 3 meter scaffold pipe at the bottom using swivel coupler 40x50. Place scaffold board as an entrance ramp and fix scaffold pipes 750 mm high with swivel coupler 40x50 as a handrail. Check the verticality using plumb bob and correct if necessary.